Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by confirming the essentials. Identify whether your household uses iodized salt and note how often you eat seafood or dairy. Measure needs. Most adults require about 150 micrograms daily and needs rise in pregnancy, so make a quick estimate. Once done, buy iodized table salt and a multivitamin containing 150 micrograms iodine. Keep packaging. Make sure to store salt dry and use it in cooking regularly. This starts correcting deficiency immediately. You now build consistency. Add roughly 1/2 to 1 teaspoon of iodized salt across your meals each day. Spread use rather than dumping it in one dish to reach safe intake. Then schedule iodine-rich foods 2 to 4 times weekly, rotating seaweed, fish, and dairy to provide different iodine forms. Make sure to log what you eat and the supplement dose. Tracking helps detect improvements or excess. If thyroid symptoms change, pause and reassess with the log in hand. You complete treatment by evaluating results after about 4 to 8 weeks. Compare energy, weight, and cold sensitivity to your baseline notes. Once reviewed, make sure to seek medical testing, TSH and free T4, if symptoms persist or worsen, because lab guidance prevents overtreatment. If something goes wrong, such as palpitations or new anxiety, stop extra iodine and read labels carefully for hidden sources, then contact a clinician. This final step secures recovery.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.